All right. This is Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, bringing you all kinds of cryptocurrency news from around the corners of the world to keep you updated on what's going on Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptocurrency mining with GPUs, mining Dogecoin, mining Ethereum. On this channel, we cover all kinds of information. If you're brand new to cryptocurrency or if you've been doing cryptocurrency investing or mining for years and years, you're going to find out that this channel is definitely going to be helpful. So if you can do me a favor and go ahead and like the like button right here, hit the subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. Again, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So Bitcoin is back on the move, back going to the moon. Bitcoin is basically over $40,000. Now, just a week or so ago, it was way below like 36,000 and 35,000, but Bitcoin has now went over 40,000. Let's take a look here. Today's cryptocurrency prices. If we take a look at Bitcoin right here, it's over 41,000. Take a look at this. I mean, in the last 24 hours, it's up 5%. But in the last week, there's a 20% uptick. So 20% on Bitcoin in the last 7 days. That's absolutely amazing. Also, right behind it, you see Ethereum. In the last 7 days, it's up 4.3%. That's in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days, it's up 12%. So today's cryptocurrency price and market point, let's take a look. The total cryptocurrency value in the last 24 hours is about $83 billion, which is actually up about 8%, 8.52% increase. The total volume is a current $9.2 billion, up 11%. The total cryptocurrency market, 24 hours. The volume of the stability of the coins is around 65 billion, which is 78% of the total crypto market in the last 24 hours. So what we're going to talk about here is probably the top 10 or 15. You know, right over here, we got Binance Coin. In the last 24 hours, it's up 6%. In the last week, it's up 10%. Cardano is up 2% in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days, it's up about 5%. Now, this is an interesting one. XRP, up 21% in the last 7 days. Now, take a look at this right here. That's pretty big in the last week. If you decided to get an XRP, you're definitely having a good time with that. USD coins are breaking even, and Dogecoin right down here at number 8 in the last week is up about 4%, and basically in the last day is up 3%. We're going to talk about Burger King here in a little bit, how Burger King is accepting the Doge. And there's a few other good information going on, what's going on with Doge. Over here, Polkadot is at number 10. So, again, I mean, look at these increases, 16% in the last 7 days. Uniswap right here is up 15% in the last 7 days. I mean, the cryptocurrency is just totally on the uptick right now. So let's talk about Dogecoin being in the news. Burger King is accepting the Doge. I mean, it's pretty interesting if you think about this. It's called the Dopper. You know, not the Whopper that you're thinking about that we go ahead and get. The Dopper for your dog. The Dopper. You know, so right here, Burger King, they're accepting it. They have a little advertisement right here. I'm going to go ahead and click it. Take a look at this. Here it is going around and round. They got the Doge. I mean, how interesting is this? So let's take a look at what it basically says here. Each Dopper is meat flavored. And bone shaped, and the treat is basically the cost of the treat is about 3 Doges, or roughly around 63 cents. So to treat your little furry friend to 3 of these little treats, it's going to cost you about 63 cents. They're accepting it in Dogecoin. The company has asked customers to purchase no more than 5 of these treats at any time for availability reasons. Burger King first launched its own line of dog treats in 2019. However, this was the first time that it's going to be available with the cryptocurrency. As different restaurants and chains start accepting cryptocurrency more, I mean, the Doge is just going to, as you can see over here, hold on, we're going to the moon with the Doge. Will Burger King fully accept the cryptocurrency? Take a look at it right here. You see? It's not clear that the deal was signed that the company plans to accept cryptocurrency on a broader scale. The Dopper is at a limited time offer. Some of the proceeds will go, this is kind of nice, some of the proceeds are going to go to the Animal Protection Agency, Pet Love. Furthermore, the offer is not exclusive to Doge holders. The company is also accepting payments in reals and it's also accepted in Brazil currency. So you don't it's not just the Dogecoin, but it's just awesome that cryptocurrency in the news that Burger King in Brazil, you can pay 3 of those little Doges 63 cents and you can treat your furry friend to a little dopper. There's a couple other things down here. The food chains, they kind of played around in cryptocurrency in 2017, where they launched its own coin, the Whopper coin. Can you believe it? That cryptocurrency is no longer around at this time. So Burger King, again, in the news. Let's take a look when you click right here to go to the website. Right there. Let's go ahead and do the Doge and get your little furry friend a little dopper. And again, you're limited to 5 per order, which is what's that going to be? So 3 of them is 63 cents. So it's going to be about $1. So for about $1 of Dogecoin, you can go ahead and get 5 of these Doge treats for your furry friend at Burger King. All right, so we got one last thing to talk about. We're going to talk about Elon Musk, AMC. Should AMC basically accept Dogecoin also in the AMC when you go to the movies? So before I go into that, I just want to go over a few things here. So of course, we love the Ethereum. We have our Ethereum pillow right there. We have our Bitcoin that's right over there. So with the GPU mining, there's going to be different episodes that we're going to go over of how you can actually cryptocurrency mine from your basement. I have different things on that. So let's go ahead and get into the Elon Musk and Dogecoin and AMC. All right, so here we go. Elon Musk's reaction to suggest that AMC should accept the Dogecoin. So there's a lot of Doge in the news that's going on here. Even right here, you see that the Doge is over getting traded. So Steven Steele's right here basically tweets, AMC really should accept the Doge. It really makes sense, don't you agree? Well, with that tweet right there, what happened? 3,500 likes. 3,500 people like that. And basically, 272 people made a comment. Most importantly, it caught the attention of no other than Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Elon Musk actually liked the tweet. So let's go down here and see what it says. AMC and Doge, basically, they're kind of muted. They're not really saying anything about this. Dogecoin it did hit an all-time high in May, right here at 73 cents in early May. But right now, it's kind of right around 20 cents, 20 cents at the current value. Last check, the Doge was down about 2.4%, but it's still at around 20 cents right now. So isn't that some awesome stuff? You got Bitcoin hitting over $40,000 for all those people that basically watched it go all the way down to basically, 31, 32,000, and now it's over 40. I mean, you got to feel pretty good about that. I mean, the returns in the last 7 days have been absolutely fantastic. So you want to keep an eye on that. Ethereum is always, doing real well right now. We got Burger King and Doge in the news. I mean, so in Brazil, you can go ahead and get your furry friends some, nice doppers. 3 of them for 63 cents. Pay with your Doge. And of course, AMC, we don't know if they're going to actually accept the Doge or not accept the Doge. But, it's interesting that you got all these different companies talking about it. So if you can do me a favor and go ahead and hit the subscribe button right here and hit the like. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, we're going to be bringing you news and currency of cryptocurrency from all over the world, crypto mining, all kinds of information. So thanks for checking in, and we'll be back tomorrow to go over a whole nother episode of what's going on in the news in Frank's Crypto Corner.